In this video, I am going to share some of my favorite tools to generate catchy and attention-grabbing headlines. Always write great headlines that grab readers' attention. Out of all folks who read your headline, only 20% will read the article copy. Whether it's for email, subject lines, blog posts, ebooks, webinars, or for guest post requests. You need a powerful, sexy, and catchy headline. In fact, your headline is arguably more important than the article itself. Who cares how great your blog post is if no one even reads it? So you need to write a catchy headline for your articles. First tool is HubSpot blog topic generator. Second one is Somomi kick-ass headline generator. Third one is another free catchy headline generator. And the fourth one is potent title maker. And you can read my article at justlearnwp.com. 180 examples of catchy headlines. Here you can see first tool, HubSpot blog topic generator, and you can see some blog post topics. How to solve the biggest problem with marketing, the ultimate cheat sheet on marketing, 10 quick tips about marketing, and 15 best blogs to follow about marketing. This is the main page. So you just need to type any topic such as marketing, blogging, and business. Now click on give me blog topics. You can see different suggestions. How to solve the biggest problem with marketing, 5 tools everyone in blogging industry should be using, 10 quick tips about business, 20 myths about marketing. These are really catchy headlines. So you can see it's very simple and easy to use tool. Another one is from Somomi, kick-ass headline generator. You can type your desired words and you can also click on these topics. Numbered list. If you are going to write list article, just select this category, numbered list, and you can see 10 ways to make money online. 10 ways to make money online. Number 2 is our favorite. 10 proven methods for making money online. 10 mistakes most people make when making money online. You can change making money online with your own main topic or keyword. This is another free tool to generate headlines. You can just click on this randomize again. 12 amazing truths about frisbee golf. This is another very simple and easy to use tool. Just enter any word here and click on this arrow icon. 16 reasons blogging could help win Top Chef. You can change this topic and now you can use this headline. Finally, you can read my article at justlearnwp.com. 180 examples of catchy headlines. So I hope now you will be able to generate catchy headlines for your awesome content. So when you pitch or when you contact any blog owner or editor, use this tool to generate some catchy and attention-grabbing headlines.